Everyone, today I will take you through the customized feature of Tally that is related to AMC annual maintenance contract. Okay, here you can maintain different kinds of contracts that you are selling any electronic goods. You may have to support for yearly support you may provide. So we call it as AMC annual maintenance contract usually in software. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to enter contract first. So we have given the contract entry screen like this. Here first you can enter tracking number, for example 00001. I will enter. Okay, customer name, here it will list out all the customer names. Okay, you can select the required customer. Enter type of product and service you are offering. That is anything, I will say Daily AMC. Let it be Daily AMC. AMC. Okay. And language, here we have given two languages. That is one is English. Another one is Arabic. Okay. For Middle East customers, especially for this, you can enter in Arabic language also. Okay, so I'll leave it blank. Here you have contract, different types of contract type, that is custom, half yearly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Okay, I will select custom and I will select 1 May to end contract date 31st May, I would say. Okay, 31st May or 1 May 2020. Okay, and it will take next due date of AMC. Okay, number of visits, you can say around 6 visits, I will say. Contact person, you can see, and here you can type the contact person name in Arabic also. Contact number, say 000679. Okay, if it is inclusive of tax, you can say yes. Okay, or if it is tax is extra, you leave it like this. And quantity and rate, 50,000 you say, and tax amount you can type extra. And terms and conditions, you can type the different kinds of terms and conditions here in both English and Arabic. Okay. If you want to attach any document, you can attach here. Okay, you can type the description, AMC document, AMC signed document. Okay. And you can just copy and paste the path. If you have any hard copy, scanned copies, you can just copy and paste it. I don't have here. See, for example, here I have this path. Okay, image, PDF, any document, any kind of document you can attach. Copy this path and I'll paste it here. Okay. If you click here, it will show that. It will show that image whatever you have attached. Okay, so accept it. You can take the printout also of this. Given like this, the printout. Okay, print format, tracking number, date, everything, it will print. Okay, and when you go to report, it will show like this. See, you have all the MC contract you have, whichever you have entered. Okay, if you enter all the entire date, you can enter any particular date or period, anything you can enter. Okay, you can enter earlier date. So here we can see in red mark, one entry in red mark contract that is expired. You can see 1 June. Today's date is 22 June. Okay, 2019. So it will take the system date automatically and it will turn into red color. Okay, other three are not expired. You can see here 2 July and 2 April 2020, 2 May 2020. Okay, when you can filter with many filter buttons we have given. You can use all those things. If you are taking tracking number, for example 123, it will filter like this. Okay, and supplier wise also you can filter, and customer wise also, contract type wise also, yearly, half yearly, monthly, different kinds of contracts if you have, you can filter. And country wise also you can filter, city wise also. And country, city you can get in the customer or supplier ledger. Okay, from there it will take. And expired contract, only expired contracts, you if you want to view, you can view only expired contracts. Enter 1/4 to 31st. Okay, and it is in red. If you want only expired, like expired it is showing. If it is single line, which is selected, it will not show in red. Okay, and that means it is if it is in single line, it will not show in red because it is selected. Okay, if you if you filter expired, it will only show expired. Okay, if you say all, it will show all. You can see this. When you skip that line, it will show in red color. Okay, and you can view documents also, whichever you have attached. You can view the documents here. We have AMC signed document. Customer, you can name the type the customer name also in description, so you can easily find it out. When you enter, it will show that document also. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this customized feature of Tally, you can contact me. I will give my contact details in the description. Okay, you can go to the description and you can take the contact details and you can contact me. Thank you for watching this. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can learn both Excel and Tally. Okay, and thanks for watching once again. Till the next time, bye bye.